Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Welcome to few days in my life as a stay-at-home mom living in Nigeria. And yeah, so today video we're starting it up on a Friday. Yeah, I came for an event in my daughter's school. They're doing Mother's Day, okay, Mother's Day event. So all mothers were invited. You have to come with your Africa attire, even if your mom is not from is not a Nigerian, even if your mom is white, you have to come with that your country's attire. So mothers came around, like all mothers were around to support the kids. They were singing this Mother's Day song, Nemu 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 Mama. So these kids are just performing for us, and it was really beautiful. It was a beautiful event. I really enjoyed myself. Okay, so like different cultures, Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, they all participated in their cultural dance. So this flower was given to me by Madame, and here we're welcoming the Igbo dancers. Like the Igbos, they took it to an extent level. I feel the Igbos even perform more than the other ethnic group. Okay, so mostly Igbo people, they are the kids. The would I say the most performed group was mostly the Igbo people. But anyway, I enjoyed the show. I hope you did as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'm taking you guys along in days in my life. Okay, so please enjoy the rest of the vlog, and happy Mother's Day to everyone. I'm sure by now this vlog should have come out after Mother's Day. And after the event, I went to my sister's house. She made this amazing rice and salad. It was so amazing, and chicken, and we had it with some nice good wine. Like, I love good wine, right? Yeah, so kindly enjoy the rest. Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today is a Saturday, and I just came back from some grocery shopping, so I'll show you guys what I got. It's not going to be a grocery haul, just only show you guys a of things I got. Then any other thing that falls along in today's video, I'll take you guys along. So it might be a weekend vlog, it might be a weekly vlog, it depending. So please do what to enjoy the video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment. So let's get started. Everything I bought, I got some Omo for washing, I got Greek yogurt, I bought milk, okay, got tissue, I got this Morning Fresh. Then shift your hand, Madam is back, she's on holiday now, so people are going to be seeing more of her in the vlogs. I made this hair for her by myself. So today is Saturday, tomorrow make it 1 week. I made the hair for her. So I got her this Nutru milk. Okay, I got this particular ones for her, and she has removed audio cover. So moving on, I bought some fish sardine. I already have like 2, so I just got this one to add up. Then I bought this tea for myself. Okay, I got oil, 2 different cornflakes because she loves this one, and when this one is finished she fall back to this one, so that's why I used to get 2 different cornflakes for her. Then this is for my green juice. I got some parsley.
Mama, you also drink juice.
Okay, this one I'm going to use one for salad. Then this one is spinach. I got some apple. I got Milo. Remove your hand, Madam. Okay. Then this is mayonnaise, and this is jam, blackberry jam. Hey, auntie, why are you spoiling it now? Then minced meat. Remove your hand. Chicken leg. I already have meat in the house, so this is just addition. Then minced vegetable, celery, green tea. This is a kiwi for my green juice. Okay, kiwi, and some cucumber. This is small cucumber. I got salt. Sorry, in case this thing is shaking up and down, please bear with me. Pepper, paprika, cooking cream, spaghetti, smoked chicken, cheese.
For me.
Yes, my mozzarella and smoked.
For me.
It's smoked ham.
For me.
Sausages, 2 sausage. I got this one. What do they call this thing again? Coffee.
Coffee for my papa.
Money fresh. I still have money fresh over there, so I always buy backup. Ketchup. No cube. I have, but I still bought backup. Sonia tomato. I still have, but I still bought backup. One thing about me, I always like buying backup. Then I got my apple cider vinegar. It's been a while, so I will be taking this.
Are you going to share with me?
You cannot drink this one, madam. You want to slim down. I'll be taking this with chai seed and warm water every morning. God giving me grace. Yes, so I'm going to be drinking this every morning with warm water. I'm also going to be using it as for my hairings. Yeah, so this is everything I bought, guys, today. Like, I am super exhausted. Then I got Indomie. A half carton of Indomie, so it's 20 pieces, and I have one small pikin who is called Mona Chisom that have opened it. Nah. She opened it. Showed you this biscuit, or me? I showed you that Mama likes this one. Oh, my baby.
My 4.
4 for me, right? For Mother's Day.
Only one.
Papa, which kind only one? It's 4. I said you should buy 4 for me now. It's supposed to be for me. It's supposed to be for my Mother's Day. It's 4. For every child I will give birth for you. So I want to make some green juice. Okay, so I want to embark on a challenge which will come up in the next video. Yeah, so this is a prep for the week. All right, so yeah, today is Sunday, so I want to make green juice for myself. I'm using some cucumber, I'm using celery. Like on Saturday I did a haul, which you guys have already seen. So the things I bought for the green juice is what I want to be making today. Like Sunday, Sunday, Sunday is a new week, so this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is when I want to start the challenge. So the lettuce I said I wanted to use and do salad, I thought about it. I was like, let me just add it to the green juice. Has more and more benefits, okay, to the green juice. So I'm just going to be washing everything and prepping everything, and I'll take you guys along in how I make this. Green juice is really amazing for weight loss journey. It's also good for skin. Like, it has lots and lots of amazing benefits. Just that all these things I am doing, to be consistent on it is not easy, and the cost of getting all this is not something that is not easy, in the sense that all these things are really expensive. I wish that they are not so expensive. I'll be doing healthy living like as if it's like water. Yeah, but all this not only it's not only about making it's also about preserving it. Electricity in Nigeria is not a 247 something. So if you do all this green juice and you don't have constant light, you get to spoil, and when it spoil, your hard work, the money you used to buy it has gone to waste. Yeah, so I'm going to be making this for, I feel, maybe 5 or 4 days, and hopefully the light is going to be constant so that my juice don't spoil. So right now I am cutting out the celery. I'll just be washing everything, I'll blend everything, and I'll show you guys what it looks like.
Convince myself to run around with someone else to forget about you.
Done washing everything, so I am going to be adding it inside the blender. Okay, if you have a juicer, you can use that. That one is even much better, but I don't have juicer. I'm going to be using blender, so this one is a long process. So in here I have my ginger. I'm using this baby carrot. Okay, I fell in love with this baby carrot. I saw it in my sister's house, and it's so amazing. Like, I feel it's even more better than those big carrots, because you can eat this one and you really get filled. Yeah, so I'm adding in some apple. I use about 3 apples for this one, because I am doing a challenge, which will come out in another video. Okay, so please stay glued. You guys know I love doing challenges on how to lose weight. Okay, because PCOS, okay, is going to make you add weight. Okay, even if you try so well to lose the weight, there's still one weight that you still be adding somewhere. Yeah, so I'm just going to be doing this green juice, and I'm going to add some spinach inside. I added spinach, I added celery, I added cucumber inside, I added the lettuce as well. Then I'm using 1 cup of water to blend it. So I did this in batch. Okay, like this particular one. After this, I added 1 cup of water, I blend, I strain, I do the same thing. I did like a repetition. You understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah, so but if you have a juicer, it makes the work much easy.
Same route and look at your view. I lied to myself every night, paid it off. If I only knew that you were playing, crying in your bed the same way I do. 'Cause I miss you, all is blue. I should've known how to keep you close, but I won't. And I miss you through the blue. I should've known that you were all gone, but I won't. I wear your shirt in this dark room, feel your skin and it's a hard truth. I can't stop cursing your damn name, 'cause I know you do. And I can't swear in every tear. There's a part of you I can't let go. I never moved on, I was waiting for you to come. 'Cause I miss you, all is blue. I should've known how to keep it close, but I won't. And I miss you through the blue. I should've known that you were all gone, but I won't. 'Cause I miss you, I miss you. I'm hoping for you to feel the same way to you. You, 'cause I miss you, can't hate you. I'm hoping for you to feel the same way I do. Cause I miss you, lied to you. I didn't know how to keep it cold.
So this is what the green juice looks like. Okay, this is so refreshing. Okay, it's so refreshing. I store this in the freezer. Okay, and it still tastes, anytime I bring it out, it still tastes so refreshing. Yeah, luckily for me there was light. Okay, as I said earlier on, I put there was light, so along the line when I did the challenge there was light to preserve this for me. So I'm just giving you guys heads up anyway. Yeah, so heads up, there was light for me to preserve this because there was constant light on these days. So I feel God was on my side, because I was telling God, please, I don't want this thing to waste. So I can't be doing this and it waste because of no electricity. But I think God hear my prayers, and there was light and it stayed. So this was a 5 days batch, because as you can see from the bottle, I drink this one every day. Then the bigger bottle I shared it into two. So I will measure, like, make sure I measure a cup, a huge glass of cup. Yes, anyway, you guys will see the portion I drank in the vlog of my weight loss journey.
Now you won't. And I miss you through the blue. I didn't know that you were gone. Oh no.
I don't know what I'm...
Slim me down.
No, I'm fat though.
Yeah, slim me down.
Mama is fat, so Mama wants to drink this to slim down for maybe 3 days. Morning,
No.
and this one 2 days morning. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5 days green juice. It's for 5 days. Hello, today is Monday and I want to arrange the whole house. Okay, so if you see this heart loving dovey thing in the screen, it's because madam is not really dressed appropriate, so I have to like cover her. This child, since she's having on holiday, it has been a roller coaster for me. So she want to enter inside the vlog, but she's not dressed well, and I want to, make the bed. So right now I want to make lunch stroke dinner for hobby. Okay, so I made this ahead of time. You guys know this goulash takes time to make, so I always make it ahead of time. And yeah, so these are my ingredients. I have a full video about this goulash and dumpling is in the channel, to check it out. So I always make this food for hobby, not every time. So I'm done with the dumpling, and the goulash is almost ready. And after this, I will clean the rest of the house. So that's how I spent my week, okay, making some green juice and taking care of the house as a mom and a stay-at-home mom and a wife. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I know the vlog is not quite long, but thank you so much if you watched it this far. You are the best. Okay, so I did some cleaning here. Madam wrote use bio to write things on the tiles, so I had to like scrub it out and it's removed. These children, when they're on holiday, your whole house will be upside down. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay subscribed for amazing videos. Like, I can't wait for you guys to see that weight loss journey. Okay, so this is the product I used to clean the biro she wrote on the tiles. Yeah, so I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.
I burned down the house with all my raging fire, 'cause you ain't around and the silence cuts deeper than wire. I lay my cards on the table, playing a game of fate, turning off the lights as I seal my